Not every legend arrives wearing gold. Some watches become famous, some become unforgettable, and then there are watches like this. The Casio F91W. Never tried to impress anyone, it never asked for attention, it simply showed up day after day, year after year. And somehow it did all of that with a tiny digital display, a lightweight resin case, an alarm, a stopwatch, 30 meters of water resistance, and a battery that quietly kept going for nearly 7 years. Nothing extravagant, just enough. The world changed, technology changed, even people changed, but somehow this little watch stayed. Not because it was expensive, not because it was luxurious, but because millions of people trusted it without ever thinking about it. Maybe greatness isn't always loud. Maybe greatness is simply showing up. Tick after tick, generation after generation.